Well viewers, I've stuffed up royally this time. I've tried to get down to this bush track thinking it'll go to the channel to go diving, and I've got it royally stuck on this hump. And looking here, I wasn't going anywhere anyway. Instead of stopping back there and having a quick look before I drove in like an idiot, I've charged ahead, and yeah, this is the result. I'm going to try and jack it up and pack under the front wheels and see if I can get it out. Whew. So viewers, the thing is I'm trying to do, see if I can get myself, extricate myself out of the situation. I've got the little tiny little jack. I'm going to jack it up. I'm going to try and pack under this front wheel and get it high off the ground, because I've bottomed it out. It's ground, it's on the, well it was, but I think it's still on the ground. So it's really hard to turn this jack. I don't think it's had any oil on it since it was brand new. So this wasn't the video I was expecting to make, but we got ourselves a drama. Well, a bit of progress viewers. I've got it jacked up. I've got that piece of concrete there. I'm going to try and either put something else underneath it to get it to leave it at that height. I don't think it's going to go up much higher than that. I might have to jack the other side up, and then I've still got to get out of here. Oh, you should have heard the clunking noises getting in here. I couldn't stop because I would have got bogged where I was. So no fool like an old fool. But these things are sent to tries, and yeah, see if I can get myself out of this. Oh, it's stinking hot. It must be 35. Luckily I had a 600ml drink of water before I came. I've packed it up. Whether or not this is gonna do the job, I doubt it somehow. I think the other wheel's gonna have to be, sorry. I think the other wheel's gonna have to be chocked up somehow. I think it's just gonna throw that little bit of, if it does move, it'll throw that piece straight out the front maybe. Anyway, all we can do is try. I might try and set the camera up so you can see my abject failure. Oh. Alrighty. Sweat is dripping off me. Lost the key. Horrible feeling that inside wheel will just be victory! I've managed to extricate myself well out of this spot anyway. We've still got the nightmare track to go back, but things are looking up. I might put this on the headband and you can come with me on the trek back out. Woohoo! So let this be a lesson, viewers. Don't just go charging head down a bush track and hope for the best, because this is a situation that can arise. And look where I would have ended up. I mean, just look at it. Imagine ploughing into that. Basically the car would be there forever. That would have been the end of the $500 Luxury Corolla. And anyway, just come with me and I'll show you where my, even if this hadn't been here, I'll show you my ultimate destination would have been, even if I got past this section. This will go to show you the depths of my mindless stupidity. And look where we ended up, in the mangroves. Look at this. What a great place to snorkel there in the mud. So yeah, not very brilliant to be honest, but I base my life on making bad decisions, and I'm sure that won't end anytime soon. So I'll stick you on my head. I'll pack this gear up. I'll turn this off now. Actually, I'll just let you see just the absolute ludicrous nature of this bog. I mean, four-wheel drives, you can see. These are running boards off a four-wheel drive. These things here, one on each side. Somebody's ploughed into here in a four-wheel drive and ripped off all their bits and pieces. So yeah, it wasn't going to happen, was it? So see you in a sec when I pack this gear up. To make matters worse, I left my phone at home because I thought, I'm only going snorkeling in the channel. I won't need my phone. I won't need to contact anybody. I won't need to call help. So now I've got to try and turn around without getting bogged. That would be ironic, wouldn't it? Put myself in an even worse situation. A little bit conservative here, I think. Certainly not the video I was expecting to make. It really isn't. Oh, look at this. This isn't even the worst of it. Oh, come on, Luxury Corolla, you can do it. I know you can do it. Oh, come on, come on, baby. Oh, this isn't the worst part's up here though. It's a big hump in the middle. God, it's so hot I can hardly breathe. There's no aircon in this car. Hopefully we're not going to hit any plants. Oh! Oh, we're ploughing their head now. Come on, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo! Alrighty. And we're out. Oh, wow. I wonder what the time is. I'm not sure I've got the energy to go snorkeling now. I might give it a miss, I think, viewers. It's packed. It's a long weekend. People are everywhere. There's jet skis running up and down. I was really keen for a swim, but I think we'll just head home, chalk this one up to experience, and yeah, tomorrow is another day. So until next time, do something fun every day, like getting bogged on a bush track in 35 degrees Celsius heat. Thanks for watching.